Hello, my name is Matthew, and I'm a rising sophomore at San Francisco University High School, and for my intensive project, I made a Bluetooth video game controller, as well as I made my own basic video game that controls a character on the screen. So, the game controller, let's do it from back here. As well as a video game that uses a keyboard to move around the screen. Move the stick figure around the screen. So, the controller is based around a Bluefruit Easy Key. The Bluefruit takes a button press and turns it into a keyboard input that is usable by the computer or other so thus video games or other programs. And it also has a Bluetooth antenna that allows it to be connected to the host computer or other types of devices, like a phone or a tablet. The game was programmed in Pygame, which is an attachment for Python that allows for video games to be created in Python, which is an easy to learn programming language. The main modification for the controller itself was I changed the design completely. I made it more comfortable to hold, have space for more buttons, as well as have more internal space for everything inside, for all the internal electrical components that made it hard to close the other case. And I designed the new case in the SolidWorks 3 modeling program. And the game was another modification altogether because I needed to do something while I was waiting for the new case to print after I had finished the circuitry for the controller. The most challenging part of building the controller was definitely fitting it inside the small original case, which caused for the redesign. And another problem during assembly was that after I had closed the case for the first time and sealed it, I went to test it, and it turned out that the right button wasn't working. So I opened the controller back up and used the multimeter to find out why it wasn't working. And it turned out to be a short between the positive lead of the right button and the ground rail of another button. And this caused the button to always be pressed, which caused the computer to ignore it and to make it effectively unusable. This is the reason why I have two laptops. So during the creation while using Pygame, I wasn't able to use it on my normal laptop, which is this one. So to solve that, I used the Lono laptop, which is this one. But the problem is the Lono laptop doesn't have Bluetooth, which makes it unable to connect to the controller. So that's why I couldn't test the two parts of my project together. But they should work together in theory.